dumaan somewhere dyan na area for the retreat. Alam mo yung post ko? Yung retreat namin.
Ad-free music
Ano
listening
yun?
and offline
Kasi hindi
downloads on
naman
Spotify
naman
Premium. Tap the banner to learn more.
Nakalimutan ko din naman. Nakakalimutan ko yung mga dapat kalimutan. Ano? Sige, feeling ko yan dyan, mahal, oh. Ayun! Ayan!
Bring the beats with Premium. Download
Manatili sa kanan.
Yan yun! Diyan kami dumaan, papunta yun sa, ano, sa
Mix up your
retreat.
playlist with song recommendations from Smart Shuffle, or take total control of your listening with unlimited skips
Diyan
and
kami
repeats.
paakyat kami
Experience
dyan.
music without
Yung
limits.
magandang
Tap the
bahaba
banner to
yung
get
sabi ko
started.
sa'yo na gusto ko sana irentahan na lang para sa birthday ko. Tapos hindi na tuloy kasi hindi nakauwi si Papa.
Pagkaraan ng 1.4 kilometro,
Ha?
kumaliwa.
Nangat-ngat siya, oh. Yan yung... Well, hindi nakaka-aesthetic yung ngat-ngat. Dapat maganda pogi tayo dito ngayon.
Whether you're relaxing at home or out and about, make your music move with you. With Premium, you can download your music at higher quality, listen to songs ad-free, and play them in any order. Tap the banner to learn more.
Hey mom,
Oh guys, we're here. Magmumuni-muni kami dalawa. Right, Bob?
Yes.
It's so cute here.
Pwede ba dyan?
Pwede.
Pwede.
Kaya ng dalawa na.
So ano?
Saan? Andyan yung ano nila, mahal. Pang camp nila. Pang campsite nila. Campsite nila. Dito man sila jam. Diyan man sila jam nagstay. Hindi kami makaswim.
Explore natin.
Explore. Sige, explore ka. Hanap ka talaga. CR naman kasi siguro yan dyan. Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Doon tayo sa... Ang USA na lumabas.
Ayun, man silang mga ano ko, may golf cart na eh. Altamars yun. Hingal na. Ayun. Magpapakit na naman ang camera.
Hi guys. Bye guys.
Ang pangit mo ng vlogger.
Happy.
But look at the view. Here. Aba, init. Bukid naman. Napakainit pero bukid naman.
May pa kasi yan.
Haggard na ako. Okay. Mas pogi.
Take a picture.
Pero mas maputi ako. Ito yung magiging first vlog natin sa channel natin. Diba? Dahil ito na yung time na makakapag-video kami. Naiwan pa yung camera. Ito pa yung naisip ko nung isang araw pa. Sabi ko, punta kami ni Clint dito sa Tikitago. Tapos mag-vlog ako. Dadalhin ko yung camera kasi maganda yung quality. Shocks. Ito kasi biglaan. Ay, ako pala yung nag-decide. I'm just gonna wait for our food, and then we're gonna eat, then we're gonna roam around, and then we're going home because yes, work. Bye guys, see you later. See you later. Bye.
When you said you're never alone, but I can't comprehend. Whenever you go, time slows and decays. When you've gone away,
Hi, may magandang jowa.
out there I cannot see the light of the day. When I'm with you, it feels like I could fly high. When I'm with you is when I feel alive. Don't you ever let go. I don't ever wanna spend another night without you. Don't you even know that I spent my nights wishing that you would just come back home. Come back home.
Umuwi na yung aso na nang buraot sa amin yung punta. Ma'am, I think yun man siguro yung sa entrance, love. Di ba?
Yan mo na. Love birds.
Hi!
Sila.
Lovebirds sila lahat, I think.
Hindi, tatlo yan.
Tatlo yan? Kung makita eh. Hi! Paano ba magtawag ng ibon?
Love birds, love birds. Love birds.
Eh, sila tatlo din.
Hindi, dalawa.
Ay! Bakit dito siya? Hi!
Makaw.
Ala!
Gawin niya.
Ala! Cute niya. Ala, gusto ko tuloy mag-alaga ng lovebirds mo.
Tapos mamatay lang. Hindi mo ilalaga.
Ang sama. Sama na ako gali. Mahalawakan mo.
Ang plate.
Vlogger kami.
Ay, pauwi na kami.
Yun lang.
We're full. And I like the view. She likes the view. We likes the view.
You do?
Yes, we do.
Go na. Bye-bye, doggy. Wait na. So we're going home, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tikitago. It was nice meeting you. It's time to find another place to go to. Din ba the exit mall?
Okay lang.
But yeah, it's time to go home and time to find another spot.
Yes, I.
Next month.
Oh, exit dyan.
Next month ba? Next month?
Say exit.
Diyan
Exit, di ba?
Hi guys, it's time to go home. It's time to say we. Wala mo sasabihin ko, basta pauwi na kami. Bye guys. Uy, smile ka naman, driver ko.
Busog pa ako eh.
Kanina ayaw niya magsalita kasi masakit yung ulo niya. Ngayon, busog pa siya.
Pero masakit pa rin ang